I'll throw the question back to you, Andy. How did you evolve from where you went from being involved on a construction team, still obviously involved in that way, but got your own thing going on now and getting in that early tender process?
So it's a bit of a journey, eh? So
Yeah.
I've been at Fletcher's for a while, 4 years.
Mm-hmm.
Worked on Auckland International Airport, Commercial Bay, Pika Pika to Otaki, a couple of other projects which I was involved in.
Yep.
I was a divisional planning manager, which means I've moved from being on site to writing systems and processes. And
Yeah, okay.
for all of the 5 companies, which is Brian Perry Higgins,
Yep.
BNI Infrastructure, and Southpack.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's an interesting job,
Yeah.
very interesting, and like
What was it that you loved about it that made you say, I think I can do this?
in planning.
Yeah.
Oh, that goes way back, man. I didn't even want to be a planner.
Fell into it, or?
What happened was my dream was being a race engineer. So I spent my entire 4 years working towards being a race engineer in Formula One. But what happened was the GFC happened when I graduated, 2008.
Right. Okay.
And I was living in Dubai, and there was only so long I could live on mum and dad's money.
Yeah, yeah.
The bank of mum and dad was, it was okay. I mean, they'll give me more money faster, but you're an engineer now. Like,
Yeah.
it's time to sort your shit out. You're in a foreign country, like the fear kicks on.
Yeah.
And I went and just campus interviewed, which means like the companies come to hire you from university.
Mm-hmm.
And they came in, and I went for one of these interviews with an oil and gas company.
Okay.
And they put you see as a test, right? Aptitude tests.
Yeah.
And written analytical tests and group interviews, one-on-one interviews. So I seem to have just ticked along and made it to the one-on-one interview stage.
Yeah.
And the manager there turned around and said, would you want to come on as a planner? I turned around and said, mate, I don't know what that is. Like, I did a course on MS Project in my degree, but I don't know what that is. And he said, yeah, we'll give you the training. That's not a problem. And then I asked him why me? He turned around and told me, you have analytical skill and social skill, which we don't find combined in a lot of engineers.
Okay.
And you make the perfect project control professionals.
Interesting. Yeah.
And I said, I need the money. I'll take the
it.
job. But what I realized was, me being a race engineer to me being in project controls is not very different.
Yeah, right.
Is very similar. So managing mass amounts of data and making decisions in milliseconds on a racetrack versus managing mass amounts of construction data and managing change over
Kind
days.
of works same. Yeah.
It's the same concept.
Yeah, okay. So it wasn't too big of a leap from what you were doing anyway.
Not really, but that's not how I thought about it to start with.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's pretty much how I got into planning.
Okay.
And then since then, I just figured it just comes naturally to me.
Yeah, that's good.
Like reading a program, analyzing a program, interrogating a program.
Yeah. I could definitely learn a few things from you then.
Oh, mate.
Analysing a program.
I run an amazing training course.
I might have to lean on you on that one.
I mean, I run an amazing training course. You just let me know. I'll come to the office and give you guys I won't teach you how to draw lines on a piece of paper. I'd teach you why you should and the consequences if you do not.
Yeah, right.
I've always found that's more valuable than actually teaching you how to draw lines on a piece of paper. Anybody can do that. You know what I mean?
It'd be good to learn how to pick the right bit of information out of those programs.
Yeah, mate.
some people don't understand those ones sometimes.
Yeah. So that's my little backstory of how I kind of got into planning.
Okay.
And since then I've now during COVID I quit my job and set up strategic planning and been going for about 2.5 years now.
Awesome. That's
two
good.
2.5 years. I've worked with 38 different companies in 2.5 years now.
Wow.
That's crazy, right?
That's good, yeah.
It's crazy, yeah.
It is good. That's really good. Well
Been a really cool journey, yeah.
Yeah, I like it.